Yeah, PayPal. I love PayPal. This is the one out of the 10 that my family owns is PayPal. And this is a near-term hit they took. And personally, I think the reason they took a big hit is because crypto took a hit in December, and that has hit anybody who trades in crypto, or PayPal, their Venmo app. People can buy and sell crypto, and so I think that hit their numbers hard. I know it hit Silvergate Capital. I expect it to hit Square as well. So I mean that was kind of they're basically two major parts of PayPal's business are fairly new, and one is the buy now pay later. That has been it was huge a few months ago, and they're now selling crypto on the Venmo app. I actually like PayPal's approach more than I like Jack Dorsey's approach to crypto. Dorsey's kind of an evangelic, I can't even say this word, evangelist for Bitcoin. He likes Bitcoin and nothing but Bitcoin. PayPal's more agnostic. They will do several different crypto on their site, and I think that is the way to go personally, and that is a smarter business move. So kind of PayPal followed Square into this, but they're being more pragmatic about it. And I think there's a tremendous upside for their business, both from crypto and from buy now, pay later. So I'm very bullish on PayPal, and I actually think over the next year, their stock is probably going to do the best out of this 10 here. I see them as jumping back. It's hard to, you can't really predict in the short term, but I do think they're going to get to where they were fairly quickly. So I think this is kind of it was a volatile quarter for them, but I do think that was crypto related personally.
I think the expectations are within context about as low as they've been for PayPal in a very long time. I really do. And that alone, I think it sets it up to be this is going to continue to be a great performing business. 10 years from now, is it going to be the best performer? No, over the next 3 or 4 years, I think it has a very good chance to be the best performer.
Yeah, I think one thing a lot of people are missing about PayPal, and this is where I love the company right now, is that they've become an investor, not just a business on their own. They've made big investments in some of our favorite stocks, Mercado Libre, Uber. They're an investor in. They were an early investor in. They've proven their ability to allocate capital, which someone who loves the financial sector, that's definitely a big asset you like to see. And PayPal is very profitable, despite the fact that their growth expectations have kind of been lowered. It's really just a great profitable business. They're generating about $5 billion in free cash flow every year that they can use to expand their offerings, like kind of how Taylor mentioned with crypto and things like that, or could invest in partnerships or in acquisitions, things like. They just have so much optionality, and I think they're not done growing yet. I think that now the expectations have kind of gone to the downside a little bit too much, but that's where I'm at, and that's why I rank it so much higher than all these others.
Matt, do you think they can hit $1 trillion one day?
I do. Yeah. I'm not sure what Fintech will get to $1 trillion first, but I'd say the odds are pretty high with them.
I'm with you on that. I think I'm very bullish on PayPal.
I think Square or Block or whatever you want to call it now could definitely do it. I think it's a lot more likely for PayPal.
Not with Jack Dorsey as the CEO.
You don't think so?
No.
I think the PayPal has a clearer path. I'd put it that way.